I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, we're going to start a new series called Can We Sublimate It? So today, I'm going to show you how to sublimate mouse pads. This is super cute, either to sell or just to put in your office or your business. So I'm going to show you start to finish, how I designed it, and how I printed it, and my mess ups, so you don't make the same mistakes. Look at these. Stay tuned to see how I did this. In today's tutorial, we're going to use some Amazon mouse pads. I got 9 for around $10. I'm using my Heat Press Nation pink heat press set to 374 for about 60-65 seconds. We're going to use our good old butcher paper that I got at Sam's Club and our Sawgrass SG1000 printer. You could use the 500 as well. We're just using 8.5 by 11 paper. Okay, so let me show you the mess up. This was one of my mess ups. You see I didn't make it big enough, so I made it exact size. You need a little overflow, so that's how this one turned out. So yeah, let me show you the whole process and let's get started. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you can make some mouse pads for yourself or your business or sell them in your Etsy shop. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching, and everything I used today will be linked in the description box below. Please make sure you hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up on this video. That helps me more than you know. And until next time, bye for now.